Hey guys, Shane Booth from MotoDevelopment here, and for this riding tip, we're going to talk about one of the most fun things you can do on a motocross bike. A lot of people buy a dirt bike so that they can do big jumps. If you work on the right technique, you can jump safely and with confidence.
To jump well, you need to be confident in what you are doing. Whether it's just a small single jump or a big supercross triple, plenty of things remain the same. To build confidence, you first need to be consistent. If your bike does something different every time you leave the ground, it'll be very hard to build confidence. To be consistent, you not only need good technique, but it also helps to have an understanding of what you are trying to do when you jump a dirt bike. If you understand what's going on, work on a solid technique, you will increase your consistency, confidence will follow, and your jumping will improve dramatically. Picking a smooth line at a jump will make your life much easier. Avoid bumps and holes if you can, and straighten out your approach as much as possible. Make sure the line on the approach and up the face of the jump lines up with a good line for your landing. The next thing to get right is your body position. You want to be in the central standing position on the bike, remembering to keep your eyes up and looking forward. One of the toughest things to do, especially when learning to jump, is staying relatively relaxed, so your body works with the bike, especially when it changes angle as it goes up the face of the jump. This comes back to confidence. When you're attempting a jump that is stretching your ability maybe a little too much, you're more likely to lock up your body position out of nerves, which will send you into the air unbalanced. The best way to avoid this is build your jumping slowly in line with your confidence level. When the bike heads up the face of the jump, you want to let the handlebars come up towards your body. You're trying to keep your body straight up and down. Avoid letting yourself fall backwards as the bike climbs the face of the jump. Once in the air, if everything is going to plan, the bike will naturally begin leveling out, so your job is to just let it. Now get ready for the landing. You need to be strong on the bike for this. Make the suspension absorb the impact. Don't be too relaxed and collapse down on the bike. Be strong and ready for the impact of the landing, whether it's small or large. The final piece to the puzzle is what you do with your throttle. It's all about smooth and controlled inputs. When you are learning, the best approach is smooth throttle, increasing the throttle slightly as you climb the face of the jump. The steeper the jump, the more throttle you need to stop the bike from slowing down on the face. Avoid a last-minute roll-off of the throttle. It's the worst thing you can do and will send you into a nosedive. Once you're in the air, roll the throttle off and get ready to get back on the gas just before your rear wheel touches down. It's a really important part of jumping and will help smooth your landing out and keep the bike straight as you head down the track. Now it's time to get out on the track. Practice this technique so your jumping becomes consistent. As soon as you know what the bike's going to do every time you leave the ground, your confidence will build and your jumping will skyrocket.